Isang sulat ang ibinahagi nga kamakailan lamang nitong si Heart Evangelista sa mismong araw ng mga ina, nitong Mayo 12. Isang sulat na naglalaman ng pagkalungkot ni Heart Evangelista dahil sa pagkawala ng kanyang anak na si Francisco. Ayon sa letter ni Heart, may mga binili na siyang ilang mga bagay para paghandaan ang pagdating ni Francisco na sobra nga na excited na si Heart. Ayon kay Heart, sa naging caption nito at mensahe sa Instagram, narito po ang kanyang naging kwento. Hindi nga naging madamot si Heart na ibahagi ito sa kanyang mga tagahanga. A few days ago, our baby boy's heart stopped beating. This will be our fourth angel. And although this could be one of my biggest heartbreaks, thank you for trying to be with me and for making me feel so much love already. Love and hope that this world could never give. I love you, Francisco. I shall keep my heart intact while you find your way back to us. To all the mothers, for moms, mothers to friends, thank you for your heart and all the women like me going through same struggle. Happy Mother's Day. Ilang mga celebrity friends naman ni Heart Evangelista na sila Ann Curtis at Bea Alonso ang nagbigay ng mensahe ng pakikisimpatya sa malungkot na inang si Heart. Say ni Ann, sending you a big hug, Hearty. Say naman ni Bea Alonso, mahigpit na yakap. Mula naman din sa ibang mga netizen, narito naman ang kanilang naging mensahe para kay Heart. So heartbreaking, reading same story with my angels. I feel you, Miss Heart. The only thought that made me strong is these angels were not meant for us, but for heaven. Take heart, be strong, so God will grant the desires of your heart, if it is His will. I'm wishing you the next baby will be yours, kicking and healthy. Just keep your faith in Him. Mula pa sa isang netizen, sorry for your loss, Miss Heart. I also have a baby angel. Maybe they're meant in heaven, not in this cruel world. Don't lose hope and keep praying. God will give it to you in His perfect time. Just have faith in Him. Yan nga ang pagsuporta na mensahe ng mga netizen at mga kaibigan ni Heart Evangelista sa showbiz. Darating ang tamang panahon na ibibigay ng Panginoon ang nararapat sa iyo, Heart, at yung baby na iyong pinapangarap. Sabi nga, manalangin lang at keep the faith. Happy Mother's Day, Miss Heart Evangelista, at sa lahat ng mga nanay. Ito ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.